Well, see what you can do with that MAT antenna. See what you can also do with the coolant thing. We need to break where we get to the Bellamy 4 space station.
Alright, dude, this place is gonna turn to a real neat cootie. Whoa.
It looks like the MTA is in good shape, though. I'm gonna see if Stoner has any problems with the other connection.
Hey, Stoner, Baron says the MTA seems to be intact. Do you have the same reading on your behalf?
What, man?
Baron said that the MTA is intact. What kind of readings do you get?
Well, I only got one brain, man. You know, like, kind of lay off the smoke for a while, dude. You know, I can only do one thing at a time, alright? Let me look at the MTA. It looks pretty good. You might want to deploy it, see if it works. Wow. You should really check out the burn marks here, man. They are a real cootie.
Well, Stoner says it's a go on that MTA antenna. I'm gonna see if I can deploy it and see if it'll work. Let me know what you get.
Oh, whoa, man, kinda cut it on that antenna. Don't smoke the antenna, man. You be having a real big bugging if you do. Hold back, Bear, hold back.
Why?
Wow, what's going on, guys? Come on, talk to me.